Hello, this is Think Big Online Education. Senior 2 Mathematics, Unit 1, Indices and Surds. Lesson 1, Indices, presented by Tita Lewis. We have an introduction of indices. Most of our daily activity involves writing very large numbers or very small numbers. For example, this one and this. So, by using indices, we can write this number in simple ways, in power or in rows. Index notation, for example, we have 32. The factor of 32 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5, 2. It is like to take 2 power 5. 32 is equal to 2 power 5. Take another example. 81 is like to write 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 3 power 4. This is index notation. This one also is the index notation of 32. The raised number, the raised numerical is called an index. This is index. Power 4 is index, and here 5 is index. In plural is indices. Power or exponent. Indices is the power or exponent. Presenting a number in short form is known as index notation. To present a number in short form is to present a number in index notation. 2 power 5 is equal to 32. Is read as 2 power 5 or 2 index 5 is equal to 32. When you write 3 power 4 equal to 81 is read as 3 power 4 or 3 index 4. In general term, when you write A is equal to n is equal to a power x, this is a index notation of n, where a is the base and the x is the index. For example, 16 can be factorized using factor 3 as shown below. We have 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. And 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Means 16 is divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. And 4 divided by 2. Or can be written as you see. 16 is 4 times 4. Then 4 is equal to 2 times 2 and 2 times 2. Finally, we consider those final values. 16 is equal to 2 power 4. 16 can be written as 2 times 4. Or 2 times in this level is 2 times 8, or 2 times 2 times 4, or 2 times 2 times 2. As finally you have it. Also can be written as 4 times 4. Finally, in a simple form, we write 2 power 4. Note that 2 power 4 is considered to be simpler form since 2 power 4 4 power 2 or root 284 is not a prime number, as there you have. Example 1. Write each of the following in its simplest form. You have 8, you have 96, you have 5 times c times c times 5 times c times 5. In a simple form, from 81 is known. It is 8. 81 is 8 times and 9 times 9. 9 is equal to 3 times 3 and 3 times 3. Means 80 is equal to 3 power 4. And 96 is like to write 80 times 12. 80 is equal to 2 times 4 and 12 is equal to 2 times 6, which gives 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And here you have another 2. You can write is 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 4, 5, 2 times 3. This one means 96 is equal to 2 power 5 times 3. Then in C we have 5 times c times c times 5 times 5. We have 3, 5. We have to group it and then put it on power 3, because you have 3, 5, and you have 3 c, which means c power 3. Then you get 5 power 3 times c power 3 in simple notation. Multiplication law of index. When you multiply two values of index, what will be happen? Suppose you have 8 is equal to 2 times 4. It is like to write 2, 8 is equal to 2 power 3, which is equal to 2 power 1 times 2 power 2. So 3, the previous power here 3 is like to write 1 plus 2. It's the same as here. 243 is equal to 9 times 27. This one can be written as 3 power 5, which is equal to 3 power 2 times 3 power 4. This 5 is given by 2 plus 3, which means 3 power 5. Multiplication law also, when you have the same base, then the final answer is to take that base and you add powers. Means 3 power 3 times 3 power 4 is like to take 3 power 3 plus 4 equal to 3 power 7. You have another example. Simplify each of the following, giving your answer in index form. You have 10 power 2 times 10 power 10 and 2 power 3 times 2 power 4. So when you add this power, add 2 plus 5, you get 10 power 7. Also you have 2 and 2, you have to add powers. It is like to write 2 power 7, because is 2 is 3 plus 4. Properties of indexes means you have the same base, power will be added. For example, we have 4x power 3, y power 3, then 5x power 4, y power 4. You have to write in grouping the same values, the same variables, means x and y and y. The numbers 4 and 5 written in one side. The reason why can be written as here you see, x in one group and y in one group. Finally, we add the power because we have the same base x. Then also here we add the power because we have the same value. The reason why we get 20x power 7 times y power 8. When we have property for indexes, power of power. When you have a power 5, then power 2, we will multiply. The answer is multiplication of 5 and 2. It is a power 5 times 2. It is actually a power 5 times a power 5, which is equal to a power 5 times 2. It is a power 10. This is some properties. Find the square root. When we find the square root of this one, a square root, you know, of this, a square root can be written as power 1 over 2. Then when we square this number, 2 will be simplified with this 2, and then remain with the value of 4x power 4 y power 3. As here it is somehow squaring this number can give 1, but square root, it is simplification as we have seen it in previous lesson, in the previous point. Then when we square, we have to multiply this one, then we pour this one, and we power on 3. We get 4 power 2, 8 power x power 8 and y power 6, because we multiply. Or we can write as here you see. Finally, you can write as here you have. Property of index for the case of division. When we divide the value of same base, we somehow make subtraction of indexes or as power of power. It's like to write a power m negative 1. The power of numerator minus the power of denominator. As here you see, it's the same. We have b power c divided by b power d is like to write b power c negative d. The example is this one. It is like to write 2 power 5 negative 3, which is equal to 2 power 2 as a result of this one. It is 2 power 2 as there you see. Simplifying each of the following, giving your answer in the simplest form. As here, this one is like to write 3 power 7 negative 4, which is equal to 3 power 1 power 3. Then here is like to write x power 8 negative 3 is equal to x power 5. as here you see. That's finished. Also this one is just finished. We have another example. Simplification of this one and this. You have to consider the value of same base. Value of same base. If the reason why you can write x times 4 times x power 4 negative 3 times y power 5 negative 2. As the result here, you can write 4 times x power 4 negative 3 times y power 5 negative 2, which is equal to 4 times 4x power times y power 3 as a result, as here you see. Property of indexes. When you multiply two numbers, as here you see, and you put one power, the power can be written on each element of multiplication. When you have division also, power will be equal to each element in division. As here you see, we will put here 4, and therefore will be written as here. So this one can be written as a power 4 over b power 4. It's the same as here you see. That's finished because we put 3 2 2 and 3 2 3. You get as there you see. Even here you put a 5 4 2 a and 4 2 2b. You get this result. This one. So when a is power 0, always a number power 0 is equal to 1 as formula. You have to know it. Simplification of this one, we simplify the same value. You have to consider 2 and you consider this 2. This one is 2 power 3. Simplify this and this. Here you have square, then you have x square. Okay, simplify this and this. Here you have y square and y square is like to write 1y plus 2. It is y power 4. Simplify this one and this. The answer is equal to 1. Even this one. You have the same to take the same value. B square, simplify it with this one. Then x power 4, x square and this x square. When you multiply x square and x square is x power 4, simplify this one and this. Then z square. You have here z and you have here the z. Z times z is equal to z square. Means z square, simplify it with the above z square. The answer is equal to 1. Negative indices. When we put negative indices, it's like to write a fraction 1 over a power x. This is property. This one. Evaluate the following. This one can be written as 1 over 3 power 3, which is equal to 1 over 9. This one can be written as 1 over 3 power 2 over 5 power 2, which can be written as We inverted this one. You write 5 power 2 over 3 power 2, which is equal to 25 over 9. As there you see, you can make simplification and so on. Also the same here is like 1 over 4 square, and then multiply this value. Also here you will somehow make simplification evaluation of this one. It is 1 over 5a square. Here we somehow inverse it, and then we get the following answers. Then this one is that's found. Also this one 25 and over 9 is also found. To find this one is like 21 over 4 square times this one. When you make multiplication, is like 21 over 1024. You have also this one. You have to insist on this point and on this one. It's the reason why this one gives one, this, and this gives. Final result is equal to 9 over 1024. Fractional indexes. A fractional index is somehow root, is the root. For example, a power 1 over 2 is like to write a square root of a. A power 1 over 3 is like to write cubic root. Then a power 1 over n is like to write any root of a. This is a cubic root, this is nth root, this is third root, and so. Find the square root of this one. Suppose you have to write the square root of this. It's like to write 4 square times x power 4 times y square. Then power a half, because we know a square root is like to write power 1 over 2. You can take this one, you multiply here, you multiply it here as a power, you multiply here as a power. The result will be equal to 2 over 2 is equal to 1, you get 4. 4 over 2, you get x power 2. Then y power 2 over 2, you get y power 1. The answer is this one. Using then the result is simple, as here you see, can be found by writing each values as there you see, and then the result you know is the same. Then finally also the result of P is found. Similarly, when you have n roots or the roots of factors, here you see this one is power 2 over 3. Here you have power 1 over 2. To write this one is like to write the cubic root and you put square. This one is square, 3 is third root. Then to write this one also is like to write 2 power 6 power 1 over 6. Is the reason why you can write 2 power 6 power times 1 over 2. You simplify 6 and 2. You remain with 2 power 3. Then this one is like to write 2 power. This one is 2 power 5 power 2. So the result is equal to 2 5 power 2, which is equal to 25 times 8. The answer is 200. The second one, write each of the following expression using radical notation. This one can be written as fourth root of 3 power 5. Here can be written as 2 times x root 6, then x here power 5. Also this one can be written as 6th root of u plus v square. Also this one can be written as the third root or cubic root, as here you see we have cube. So those are the same as that you have. So you have index, simple equation involving indexes. You have a, when a power x is equal to a power y, means the value of x is equal to value of y, because the bases are equal. So when you have a power x and b power x, means a is equal to b. Take example here. You have to solve this value. You have 81 power 3 is equal to 3. What is the value of n? You have to make factor of 81 and comparing with 3. We will somehow compare the power of this term and the power of 3. As here you see, you have 9 power a negative 3 times 81 power this one. Also we make a group of this one and then make equivalent with this one. 81 is like 3 power 4. Then when we multiply n, we get 3 power 4n from this property. Then this one, you know, is equal to 3 power 1, as it is given in our equation. Then 4x is equal to 1. 4n is equal to means n is equal to 1 over 4. This one. Now with example 2, you have to make the factor of 9 and the factor of 81, and then show if left hand side is equal to right hand side. So from this side we have to make factorization of this one, and then we get with 3 power this one plus this one. The answer of this side is equal to 3 power negative 2a negative 2. Then left hand side is equal to, must be equal to right hand side. Also we have to make equivalent of this one. This one can be written as also 3 power, you know 3 power 3 is equal to 27 times negative a, will give also the similar with this one. When we make equality, we can simplify 3 and this 3 remain with negative 3a is equal to negative 2a, then negative 2. When we write this one on the first side, we get negative a, which is equal to negative 2. Then h is equal to 2. You have to solve this equation. Y power 4 is equal to 81. You know the value of 81. 81 is equal to 2 81 is equal to 3 power 4. Means if this one is equal to, you have the similar power. Means if you have similar power, also the base must be equal. Means y is equal to 3. You have also another equations. To solve this one, you have to make simplification and you group the first side by using 9 power x plus 1 and plus 3 power 2x plus 1 equal to 36. Then we write this one in similar format. As here you see, we group the similar power. Finally, this one is equal to 3 power 2, which is equal to x is equal to 1 over 2. So thank you. This is the end. See you next. Mushobora no kudukurikira ku mbuga zikurikira aho musanga amasomo anyuranye. Ubu turi kwibanda ku masomo ya science n'imibare, math, set, physics, biology and chemistry, yo kuva primary P6 kugera kuri secondary S6. Dusure ukore na subscribe, tubane igihe cyose. Izo mbuga ntizikurikira: YouTube channel yitwa Think Big Twitter, website yacu Think Big Puerwa cyangwa se Iga Puerwa. Murakoze.